Hi everyone, my name is Amit. Today I'll be teaching you how to download Python in our local system. So basically we need to go to the web browser and just type Python download. So on the very first link we just need to click on the first link, and here there are two options like downloading the install manager and downloading the standalone installer. So we'll do the second thing, we'll just download the Python standalone installer. I have already downloaded it, so you just have to download it, and I'll just double click on it, and here the setup file comes. So basically this is the very important point that we need to keep this check mark on. Basically this will add the Python's part to our existing system's path, and just after this we need to click on install now, and basically it will install, run the installer, and it will install it. We just make sure we just click on yes and it will be installed. As the Python is already installed in my system, I will not be installing the Python, so you can do that. So whether Python is installed in our system or not, we can verify it by just checking on the cmd. We'll go to the command prompt. Here I will write Python hyphen version. So yeah, so the basically Python 3.13 version is installed in my system. So I'll show you a small hello world program in Python, whether it is working or not. Python, I'll just on the Python, okay, and then I'll write print hello world and enter. Bingo, it is not working. Okay, so basically our Python installation is done. So after this I'll just brief you about Python in a short. uh, Basically Python is very easy language to learn. It has simple syntax and also allows developers to build AI apps quickly. It also offers powerful libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn for machine learning and data analysis. And as far as Gen AI is concerned, Python is used with tools such as OpenAI's APIs, LangChain, Hugging Face to create chatbots, generate content, and also for using and creation of AI assistant. So basically this was the basic information about Python. Thank you.